Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through few videos on VGGFace2 model, such as long 1.5 year back ago, face detection, then face recognition, then face recognition with MTCNN and VGGFace2 model, then face verification, and last previous video face match, and many more videos. I have been struggling lot for this VGGFace2 model. I have spent lot of studies, I have spent lot of time to work out on VGGFace model. The idea behind is clear, that you have to very careful with Keras and TensorFlow when you have to do videos on VGGFace2 model. So today's video is really creative and interesting. It is all about identification of face. So please watch video till the end. So first of all, we'll go through the program. Here I will be using MTCNN and VGGFace2 model. Test.jpg is a image of great Prime Minister Narendra Modi. PyPlot should extract the image, show the image, then first of all to detect the image, then to extract the image, and at the last to identify the image. So I will execute the program. Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So face has been detected. Yes, it is extracted. So yes, Narendra Modi face has been identified because it is showing 85.018 and other person it is not showing 85%. So we are successfully done with face identification using VGGFace2 model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face identification using VGGFace2 model, using MTCNN model, using Keras, using TensorFlow, and many models like FAIR library, DFace library, OpenCV library, and DLIB. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my videos on Sanjay Mahajan YouTube channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.